How's it going, everyone? Today I want to make a quick video about how we can change the window on cross-sectional imaging that we're looking at on 3D Slicer. So for this video, I've taken some sample data from 3D Slicer that anyone can download, and this is a CT liver here. And notice how everything appears maybe a little more white than we would expect, except the lungs. So the window here has been set to lung windows, which is great for evaluating the lungs, but if you notice, we're trying to take a look at the liver and we can see maybe some pathology here in the middle of the liver, but I can't really quite tell, and the contrast isn't great. And so that's why we use different windows for soft tissue, specifically soft tissue windows. Now, Slicer has some element of being able to actually just click on the image and change the window, but really if you're taking a look at soft tissues and you want more of a standardized view, what I find a little more helpful is just to go to volumes here and then make sure we're under the correct volume. So let's go to CT liver 1, which is the correct volume that I'm on. And then we have all these different presets here, which I think are pretty useful. So if you kind of hover over them, they'll tell you, so this would be CT bone. So if we wanted to take a look at the bone, look how the bone pops out nice and easily there when we're taking a look at this. All right. Now if we hover over this area, I believe this is air, so we don't really want to look at that here. This is going to be a brain preset. So CT brain is going to look at brain tissue, which of course we're not as interested in. CT abdomen, this is going to be, wow, look at that. So look at that difference. We have clearly some hypoattenuation in the middle of the liver here that otherwise wasn't really able to be seen, and if we wanted to segment that, it would be very, very difficult to do it on lung windows like we were before here. So this is how we can change that volume, and you can actually see the level of what we're looking at here in terms of the Hounsfield units as well as the width here, and you can toggle that manually as well